Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Compact Full Motion Rowing Machine, Full Body Workout, Low Impact, Extra Long Rail, 350 lb weight capacity, and optional Sunny Fit are app-enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, full motion workout. This rower activates multiple muscle groups, including your legs, back, core, and arms, for a comprehensive exercise thanks to 360-degree full motion arms that mimic natural rowing form for a complete range of movement. Connected Fitness sync this rowing machine to your smart devices via Bluetooth, opening access to over 1,000 workouts and 10,000 scenic global rowing routes. Personalize and track your progress in real time as you row. 350 lb weight capacity and compact, this rowing machine robustly accommodates all sizes, yet it's space-saving compact. The digital monitor tracks stroke rate, time, count, calories, and total strokes to simplify monitoring your rowing workout. Real rowing simulation feel like you're rowing on water with the Sunny Fit app. This machine's realistic rowing simulation for a more engaging and effective home workout. 12 levels resistance. Customize your workout intensity with 12 levels of smooth, adjustable resistance. Easily increase or decrease the resistance for a workout that challenges you while gently impacting your joints, comfort, and stability. Featuring an ergonomic padded seat with an elevated, wider design for easy mounting, superior comfort, and no slipping during prolonged workouts, paired with non-slip grip handlebars for added stability. Easy assembly and safety features. Assemble this rowing machine easily and start working out. Large anti-slip foot pedals keep your feet secure while rowing. Adjustable straps further ensure confidence during your workout. Sunny Health and Fitness commitment. A top fitness brand for 21 years offers superior products and a dedication to excellence. Count on our committed customer service and trainers for the best fitness experience.